What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's MTG and I make videos about tech, how-tos, vlogs here and there, but I also make videos about YouTube and the algorithm for smaller content creators like you and like myself. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why you shouldn't pick up, well, more like a rant about why you shouldn't pick up the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But just know that in reference, in this video, I'll be talking about Galaxy Note 10 and not just specifying Galaxy Note 10 Plus, well, because both of them apply to what I'm going to be talking about. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Yeah, so Galaxy Note 10, why you shouldn't pick it up, it's because it's not really a Note anymore. When the Galaxy Note first came out, it was like that huge phone, that multitasking phone where a power user could get their work done. But now it's literally, as far as I see it, these are all opinion based, as far as I see it, it's just another phone but with a stylus, with an S Pen that has extra features, but they're not really like necessities. You don't really need those features on a smartphone. They're just there if you want to use them. It's gone. That division between a normal smartphone, a normal flagship, and the Galaxy Note is officially gone. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or S10 5G, it's the same screen size. It's like the same screen size as the Galaxy Note 10. Yeah, you're getting like a smaller new design with a single front camera right smack dab in the middle, and just a rear camera setup that's positioned differently, and no headphone jack, and the power button on the left side of the phone. It's just all over the place. And with leaks, pricing is going to be Galaxy Note 10 around $950 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus for $1,100. Obviously, you can get higher end models for more, but it's just not worth it, especially with the Galaxy S10 series out. You can find so many better deals. S10e you can get for like $600, $700. And if you can find a really good deal, like activating it on carrier, you can get like $400 or $500 for a Galaxy S10e. You're getting a headphone jack. You're getting fingerprint sensor. It's pretty fast. You're getting really good camera. You're getting really good software. So you can't go wrong with the Galaxy S10e, and it's nice and compact. And you still have other options like the Galaxy S10 or the Galaxy S10 Plus. All of them from Samsung and cheaper than the Galaxy Note. The Galaxy Note got rid of the headphone jack, something the Galaxy S10 series has. They positioned the power button to the left side and integrated it with Bixby. And that's going to be something they get used to. And they don't have that on the Galaxy S10, which is a plus. They got rid of the second camera on the front on the Galaxy Note 10, but they still have it on the Galaxy S10 Plus. So, I mean, if you were really about front-facing cameras and selfies, then yeah, that might be an issue for you, but typically it's not usually a big thing for users. So you already have this well-established flagship from Samsung, and you're just bringing out something else that it might be upgraded in a sense, but it's also kind of a downgrade. You're kind of taking away features that the Galaxy S flagship had, and now the Galaxy S11 is going to follow step and get rid of the headphone jack and probably position the power button on the left side of the phone. And who knows, they might get rid of that camera hole punch and bring in no notch. Who knows? But it's just taking the wrong step, or taking the wrong step in the wrong direction. I don't know. Galaxy Note 10 is definitely just not worth it unless you're a die-hard Samsung Galaxy Note fan and you think Note 10 is going to be worth it. Oh, and if you have a Note 9 or even a Note 8, do not upgrade it. Like, you're not getting much more of an upgrade. Just some small hardware features, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, Galaxy S10 is I think the way to go. When the new Android Q comes out, it's definitely going to come out for Samsung Galaxy S series first. That's exactly what always happens all the time, every year. So you'll be waiting for the new update for Android Q if you get a Galaxy Note 10. Galaxy S11 is going to be coming out probably at MWC of 2020, so you should hold on to that. You got other phones. that are just as capable with the same amount of 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. The OnePlus 7 Pro is something to consider. It's got 3 camera lenses. It's got ultra-wide telephoto and a main 48 megapixel camera lens. You got the upcoming Pixel 4 to check out. You got the upcoming iPhones, if you're an iPhone fan. So that's something to check out too. But for Galaxy Note 10, I just say hold off for this year and wait for, I guess, the Galaxy Note 11, because there's not much difference of the S series and the Note series anymore, rather than just the small changes and the S Pen. Now I touched base on the Galaxy Note 8. If you have the Galaxy Note 9, that's definitely not worth the upgrade, because you already paid like almost $1,000 for the Note 9, and if you're gonna drop like another $1,000, okay, trade-in deals, this and that, everything goes into factoring the pricing, but still, you're still not missing out really anything with the Note 9 and upgrading it to the Note 10. Now if you have something like the Note 4 or even the Note 5, and you say, hey, you know, I want to upgrade to Note 10, then it's a really good choice. If you have like a 3-4-year-old phone, upgrade to Note 10 wouldn't be too much of an issue. But especially the main thing that I want to argue about is the pricing. Yeah, a lot of other flagships, Apple and even Google, and some of Samsung Galaxy S flagships, they're over that $1,000 mark, but you can still find so many more deals. And since the Note 10 just came out, I'd hold off on getting it right away. Just wait for more deals, especially when the holiday season comes. You'll definitely be finding lots of trade-ins and activation deals, so hold off on that. If I were you guys, I would wait. I would just hold off and wait for Samsung Galaxy S11 and see what they have in store, because you're still getting a very capable flagship. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button. Comment down below on your opinions, suggestions, whether you're going to pick up the Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, or if you're just going to pass on, as any likes, comments, interactions with the video not helps just only the video, but also helps the channel, and it helps this video to get to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.